ones we are discussing about Cartesian product of two sets. Based on Cartesian product of two sets, now define relation. Okay. Now again, today I am going to deal with same concept, that is relation, define relation, then what is the domain of the relation, what is the codomain of the relation, as well as range of the relation. Okay, just we recall the definition of relation. Innome relation andre ಏನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, now here define a relation by using the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. Define relation. So as you know the definition of Cartesian product of two sets, A cross B is equal to set of ordered pair in general A comma B such that first member belongs to first set and second member belongs to second set. This is the definition of Cartesian product of two sets. Based on this, define relation. In our daily life, we use the word the relation, that is friend of, brother of, sister of. These are the relations. Whereas in mathematics, define relation. Look here. If A and B are any two non-empty sets, non-empty means having some elements, then any subset, remember, any subset R of A cross B, any subset R of A cross B is said to be relation from A to B, or in other words, a set R is said to be relation from A to B. A set R is said to be a relation from A to B if the condition R is subset of A cross B. If this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be relation. Remember, any subset R of A cross B is said to be relation, or a set R is said to be a relation from A to B, condition R is subset of A cross B. If this condition is satisfied, then it is said to be a relation from A to B. R set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರು A cross B ಒಳಗೆ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is known as relation. Look here. Now for example, let A is the set consisting of three elements, say 1 3 4. B is a set consisting of three elements, say 2 6 8. Okay. Now to find A cross B, you know how to solve A cross B. Set of ordered pairs, namely 1 comma 2, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 8. Next 3 comma 2, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 8. Okay. Next 4 comma 2, ordered pair 4 comma 6, then 4 comma 8. These are the ordered pairs. Now here let first example. R1 stands for, that is given, R1 stands for less than. Verify whether R1 is a relation from A to B. Nodri, A set ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ, B set ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನ, R1 ಈ ತರ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ. R1 stands for less than, then identify, verify whether R1 is relation from A to B. How to solve? Now here R1 is equal to, R1 stands for less than. What it means? Select R1 in A cross B, select R1 in A cross B such that first member is less than second member. Take those such ordered pairs because the condition less than. ಎಂತ ordered pairs ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲನೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗಿಂತ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. Take those ordered pairs. Now verify. In A cross B these are ordered pairs, isn't it? Now is it 1 less than 2? Yes. First ordered pair 1 comma 1 less than 6? Yes. 1 less than 8? Yes. Is it 3 less than 2? No. 3 is greater than 2. Leave it. 3 less than 6? Yes. 3 less than 8? Yes. Okay. Then is it 4 less than 2? Yes. No. 4 is not less than 2. 4 is more than 2. Is it 4 less than 6? Yes. Is it 4 less than 8? Yes. These are the ordered pairs. Clearly, CL1 short form. R1 is Dear students, R1 is a relation from A to B. Take another example. Let R1 stands for, say R1 stands for greater than. What it means? Select R1 in A cross B such that first member is more than second member. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು select ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂತವನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. First member is more than second member. Verify whether 1 more than 2, no. 1 more than 6, no. 1 more than 8, no. 3 more than 2, yes. First order pair 3 common. 3 more than 6, no. 3 more than 8, no. 4 more than 2, yes. 4 common. Then 4 more than 6, no. 4 more than 8, no. Only 2 order pair. Clearly, these 2 ordered pairs belongs to A cross B or not? Yes. Clearly, R1 is subset of A cross B. Therefore, R1 is a relation from what? A to B. Clear? Similarly, if you take another example, let R1 stands for divides. Select R1 in A cross B such that first member divides second member. Divides denoted by the notation like this dash. A divides B. In general, A divides B, which is denoted by like this. Read it as A divides B. A divides B means not A divided by B. Remember, A divides B means B is divided by A. Exact dividable. After dividing, remainder should be 0. All are integers. Divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder all are integers. A divides B means B is divided by A. In symbol we write like this. Now here R1 stands for divides. It means select R1 in A cross B such that first member divides second member. Note 1 by 1. Is it 1 divides 2? 1 divides 2 means what? 1 divides 2 means not 1 divided by 2. 1 divides 2 means 2 is divided by 1. Divide agutade. 1 2s are 2. Remainder is 0. Clearly 1 comma 2 is there. That is belongs to R1 because 1 divides 2. Okay. Then is it 1 divides 6? Yes. 1 divides 6 means what? Not 1 divided by 6. 6 is divided by 1. Divide agutala? Okay. Then is it 1 divides 8? Yes. Is it 3 divides 2? 3 divides 2 means what? Not 3 divided by 2. 2 is divided by 3. Exact divide agutta? No. Now leave it. Then is it 3 divides 6? Yes. 3 divides 6. 3 divides 6 means what? 6 is divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 0. Right? Exact divide by 2. Remainder should be 0. Next, 3 divides 8? No. 4 divides 2? No. 4 divides 6? No. 4 divides 8? Yes. 4 divides 8 means 4 divides 8 it means 8 is divided by 4. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 0. Right? So these are the ordered pairs. Verify whether those ordered pairs belongs to A cross B. Yes. Clearly R1 is subset of A cross B. Therefore R1 is a relation from A to B. Okay. Take one more example. Let R1 stands for equals. In loading, R1 stands for equals. What it means? Select R1 in A cross B such that first member equal to second member. ಎರಡು member equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ordered pairs ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ A cross B ಒಳಗೆ are they equal ordered pairs? Same numbers ಇದೆನಾ ಎರಡು? ಇಲ್ಲ. So R1 value ಏನಾಯ್ತು? No ordered pair, that is empty. This is known as ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? Empty relation. And empty subset is always subset of any set A cross B. This is known as empty relation. So define empty relation. A relation R in a set A and B or simply in a set A is said to be empty relation if R is equal to no ordered pairs in R1. So that is R is equal to empty, which is subset of A cross B. Here students, these are the examples of relation. Okay. Next question, next definition. Define domain and range. Define domain and range. Very important result. define domain and range of the relation. Very simple. If R is a relation from A to B, if R is a relation from A to B, it means condition. That condition is satisfied. What is that condition? R is subset of A cross B. No, right. R is a relation from A to B. The condition is related. Okay. In the relation R, remember, in the relation R, first member of R, remember, first member of relation R is called what? Domain. R set ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ ಡೊಮೇನ್. and second member of R is called what? Range of the relation. Remember, in R is a relation from A to B such that R is subset of A cross B. In the relation R, first member of R is called domain and second member of R is called range of the relation. Okay, now in these examples, now we have to verify one by one. In these examples, now first example, R1 stands for less than, these are our pairs. Now here in the above example, first example, what is domain of R? In first example, domain of R, definition of domain is first member is called domain. What are the first members? 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 4, 4. Don't repeat it, take only one time. 1, next number 3, next number 4. Okay, what is range of R? Second member is called what? Range. In this relation, what is range? Second member 2, 6, 8, 6, 8, 6, 8. Now here 2, 6, 8. Take only one time, don't repeat it. Don't write 2, 6, 6, 6, 8 like that. Write one time, 2, 6, 8. In second example only, in this example, what is domain of R1? In second example, domain of R1, or first member, A is 3, 4. Right now, what is range of R? Second member, range of R1. Second member, what is it? 2, 2. Take only one time. In third example, what is domain of R? Domain of R1. First member 1, 1, 1, 3, 4. That is 1, 3, 4. What is range of R? Second member. In third example, second member 2, 6, 8, 6, 8. Don't repeat it. Take only one time. 2, 6, 8. Right? So first member of R is called domain. Second member of R is called range of the relation. Okay. Now here in first example, domain of R1 is 1, 3, 4. Range of R1 is 2, 6, 8. Now verify whether these three elements belongs to set A. Set A A is the set consisting of 3 elements 1, 3, 4. Over. B is the set consisting of 2, 6, 8. Itala one numbers. And you more number A set yes, either subset or equal to A. Range of R is 2, 6, 8. Whether those numbers belongs to set B? Yes, either subset or equal to B. Equal ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ equal ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ತೋರಿ second example, what is domain of R1 is 3, 4. Whether those two elements belongs to set A? Yes, it is subset A. Range of R1 is 2. That two number belongs to set B? Yes, subset B. Right? In third example, domain of R1 is 1, 3, 4. Either subset or equal to A. These three numbers belongs to set A. Range of R is 2, 6, 8. Whether these three numbers belongs to set B? Yes. So we conclude that, remember, note that domain of R is always subset or equal to A, and range of R is always subset or equal to B. Remember. So this is the definition of relation and domain and range. Based on the definition of relation, domain and range to solve the simple problems. Okay? Yes. Based on the definition of relation, domain and range, based on those things to solve the problems. Problem number 1. Very simple problem. Look here. Let A is the set consisting of 6 elements. Okay. Define a relation R from A to A, same set, A to A set, by R is equal to order pair xy. ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, such that y is equal to x plus 1. Using this, ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು to represent this relation in an arrow diagram, that is Venn diagram. Second question, write down the domain, codomain and range of the relation. Very simple concept. Look here. Given data, A is a set consisting of 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then, same set, A to A. A cross A is equal to A cross A. Same set, A cross A is equal to, what is A cross A? So many ordered pairs. A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again A set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same set, A cross A ordered pair. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, 1, 4, then 1, 5, then 1, 6. Next, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Next, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Next, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay. Next, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then finally, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. These are the ordered pairs. Among those ordered pairs, select some ordered pairs satisfying the condition y is equal to x plus 1. Each condition satisfied ಆಗಬೇಕು where x and y belongs to set A. X is belongs to set A, y also belongs to set A. But in the set A contains how many elements? 6 elements. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, R is equal to ordered pair. Ordered pair ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? such that y is equal to x plus 1. Take x is equal to x belongs to set A, y belongs to set A. X value belongs to set A. A contains 6 elements. X value 1 ಇರಬಹುದು, 2 ಇರಬಹುದು, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take one by one number. Put x equal to 1. X value 1 200. Y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ? Put x is 1. 1 plus 1 2. 1 comma 2. First order pair. 1 0 ಇದೆ, 2 ಕೂಡ 0 ಇದೆ. Next put x is equal to 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 plus 1. 3 is also there in set A. Put x is 3. X value 3 substitute by 3 plus 1 4. That is also belongs to set A. Put x is 4. 4 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 4 plus 1 5. Then put x is 5. 5 plus 1 6. Put x is 6. X value 6 ಕೊಡಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 6 plus 1 7. But 7 does not belong to A. Leave it. Only those ordered pairs. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ satisfied ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ordered pairs. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ satisfied ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Ordered pairs ಯಾವು? 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6. We got R. Clearly those ordered pairs belongs to A cross A. Avel ordered pairs A cross A ಮಾಡಿರೋದಾನೆ. Yes, it is a relation. Now represent this relation in arrow diagram. Look here, arrow diagram. Or Venn diagram. This is set A. This is also set A. Same set one. A. This is A. Arrow diagram. A set contains 6 elements. This is also 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. R is equal to these ordered pairs. Now to represent those ordered pairs in arrow diagram. 1 image of 1 is 2. 1 image ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? 2 ಇದೆ. Image of 1 is 2. Right? This is arrow diagram. Image of 2 is 3. Image of 3 is 4. Right? Image of 4 is 5. Right? Image of 5 is 6. Image of 5 is 6. This is arrow diagram. First part is over. First question is over. Second question, write the domain. Domain means first member, first set is called domain. Second set is called codomain. And range means its images Codomain. Codomain. Second set, same numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range and range. Range. First member is domain, second member is what? Range. Range is another 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range. One more is one is second member one is first member one is first member is called domain. Second member is called range. So first question answer arrow diagram. Second question domain is first set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Codomain is same set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Range is its images. Second member 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear students? Second question. Second problem. Same time. It is important sum. That question was asked. 3 mark question. Now here let A is a set consisting of 14 numbers. 14 numbers. This is already 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on up to 14 numbers. Define a relation R from same set A to A given by R is equal to ordered pair xy such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು 3x 1 is equal to 0. ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗೋದು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು write down its domain and range. Very simple question. ನೋಡಿ A is a set consisting of 14 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on up to 14 numbers. A cross A is equal to so many ordered pairs, namely 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 and so on 114. Then 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6 and so on 214. 3, 1, 2, 3, 14. 4, 1, 2, 4, 14. 5, 1, 2, 5, 14. 6, 1, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3 and so on 6, 14 and so on 14, 1, 14, 2, 14, 3, 14, 4, 14, 5 and so on 14, 14. So many ordered pairs. Don't write all ordered pairs. Write directly. R is equal to ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ x, y such that that condition is satisfied 3x minus y is equal to 0 where x and y belongs to set A. ನೋಡಿ x value A set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು y value A set ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ 3x minus y is equal to 0 using this condition. Very simple. Therefore y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus y is equal to that term goes to set minus 3x. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ minus 3 y is equal to 3x where x and y belongs to what? Set of set A. X and y belongs to set A. X belongs to set A, y belongs to set A, but in the set A contains how many elements? 14 elements. Take one by one. What is x value? 1 substitute now. 1 A set is fine. Yes. Put x equal to 1. What is my value? 3 into 1. That is 3. Right? 3 is also belongs to set A. Is it fine? Next, x is equal to 2 to y is equal to 3 into 2. 6. 6 is there in the set A? Yes. Put x equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 into 3. How much? 9. 9 is there in the set A? Yes. Put x equal to 4. Y is equal to 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 belongs to set A? Yes. Put x equal to 5. Y is equal to 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. Is it 15 belongs to A? No, does not belong to A. Maximum number is 14. 14 ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ x equal to 6 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಗ y is equal to 3 into 6 18. 18 is there in the set A? No, up to 4 numbers. Remaining numbers does not exist. Remaining numbers does not belong to A. So we got ordered pair, only 4 ordered pairs. Therefore R is equal to ordered pair x comma y. X value 1. What is y value? First order pair. X value 2 comma y value 6. X value 3 comma y value 9. X value 4 comma y value 12. If you take x value 5, y value 15, but 15 is there in the set A? No. The remaining numbers only 4 ordered pairs. We want the relation ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ordered pairs A cross A ಒಳಗೆ ಇದೆ. Okay, now the question, write down its domain and range. You know the definition of domain. In this relation, you know the definition. What is domain of R? First member is called what? Domain. What are first member? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is range? Range of the relation. Second member is called range. Second member is 3, 6, 9, 12. This is range, that is domain. 3 mark question. ನೀವೇ R ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Domain of R ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. Range of R 1 mark. 1 1 1. Totally 3 mark question. ಅಡಬಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ 14 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, next problem. Problem number 3. Define a relation R on the set n of natural numbers. N denotes set of natural numbers defined by R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. Using this condition, ಈ condition satisfy ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂಥವು ordered pairs ಅನ್ನು select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ordered pairs ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Using this condition, what is put x and y are the natural numbers. Where x is the natural number, take the natural number only less than 4. X value ತಗೋಬೇಕು, natural number ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ which is less than 4. What are the natural numbers less than 4? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 numbers. Okay. Write this relationship using roster form. You know, elaborate roster form. Also write down the domain and range. Look here. A, that is n, is the set of all natural numbers. N denotes set of natural numbers, namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So many natural numbers. R ಯಾವ ತರ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ? Take the ordered pair satisfying this condition. Y is equal to x plus 5 and x should be less than 4. Take the natural number x such that less than 4. X natural number ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ less than 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 2 3. Now take one more. X is equal to 1. Take x is 1 because 1 is less than 4. X value 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus 5 6. Second member yesterday actually, but x should be less than 4. X natural number should be less than 4. Next x value 2. Put x is 2. 2 plus 5 7. Right? 7 is also natural number. This second member condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. Only first member is less than 4. Next x value 3. Put x is 3. 3 plus 5 8. Right? Take x is 4. 4 ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? No. Because the condition x should be less than 4. X is natural number less than 4. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಒಳಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ numbers 1 2 3. Only 3 numbers. This is roster form. This is roster form. Okay. And write down its domain and range. Therefore, domain, you know the definition. First member of R is called what? Domain. What are the first member? 1 2 3. Write the range. Range means what? Second member of R is called what? Range. What are second members? 6 7 8. 3 mark question. ನೋಡಿ 4 mark. ಇದು R ಬರೀತಿರಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 mark. Domain 1 mark. Range 1 mark. Totally 3 mark. Very simple result. Concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Using this condition, ಈ condition ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು write the roster form. What are ordered pairs? 1 6 2 7 3 8. Now x should be natural number which is less than 4. ನಾಲ್ಕು ಒಳಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು 1 2 3. Corresponding value of y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 7 8. Now domain is first members 1 2 3. Range is second number 6 7. Clear students? Similarly, fourth problem. Look here. A is a set consisting of 4 numbers, namely 1 2 3 5. 1 2 3 5. And B is a set consisting of 3 numbers, 4 6 9. Right? Define a relation R from A to A. Sorry, A to B, not A to A. A to B, different sets. But R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾನ r ಎಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು that is given ಏನು the difference between x and y is odd number where x belongs to set A, y belongs to set B. Difference of those two numbers should be odd number. It may be negative odd number, it may be positive odd number. Okay, positive ಆದ್ರೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, negative ಆದ್ರೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, irrespective. So using this condition, write the relation R. Now what is A cross B? First to find A cross B. A cross B, definition of Cartesian product. Ordered pairs. What are those? 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 9. Next 2, 4, 2, 6, then 2, 9. Next 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 9. Next 5, 4, 5, 6, then 5, 9. These are ordered pairs. Among those ordered pairs, select some ordered pairs. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? Condition. Difference between x and y. This is x, that is y. First member is x, second member is y. The difference between x and y should be odd number. It may be positive or it may be negative. Oh, ಯಾವ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ r is equal to first order pair. The difference of those two. Their difference ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಮತ್ತು 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 is it even or not? Odd. So first order pair is 1, 4. The difference of those two, 6 minus 1. Difference is what? 6 minus 1 difference is 5. 5 is odd number. 1, 6. The difference of those two, 9 minus 1, 8. 8 is it odd? No. Leave it. Next, 2, 4. Difference of 4 and 2. 2. 2 is it odd? No. Leave it. Difference of those two, 6 minus 2, 4. Is it 4 is odd number? No. Leave it. Next, difference of those two, 9 minus 2, 7. 7 is odd number. So that is 2, 9. Next, the difference of those two, 4 minus 3, 1. 1 is odd number. 3, 4. The difference of those two, 6 minus 3, 3. 3 is odd number. So order pair is 3, 6. Next, 3 and 9. The difference of those two, 9 minus 3, 6. 6 is it odd number? No. Leave it. Next, the difference of those two, 5 minus 4, 1. 1 is odd number. Right? Next, the difference of those two, 6 minus 5, 1. 1 is odd number. 5, 6. Next, the difference of those two, 9 and 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 is it odd number? No, it is even. Leave it. These are the ordered pairs. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. Using this condition to find R, write the relation R. These are the ordered pairs. Clear? Among those ordered pairs, write write R in roster form. This is roster form. Okay. What is domain? Domain find out ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ what is domain? 1 1 2 3 3 5 5. So domain is, what is domain of R? First member. What is first member? 1. Don't repeat it. Write only one time. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Right? What is range? Range of R. Second member. What are second members? 4, 6, 9. 4 already taken, 6 taken, 4 taken, 6 taken. Only 3 numbers. 4, 6, 9. Range. Domain is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear students? 3 mark question. This is 1 mark. Domain 1 mark. Range 1 mark. Totally 3 mark. Okay? Next problem. Problem number 5. The figure shows a relationship between the sets P and Q. That figure shows a relation between the sets P and Q. Now the question, very simple question. Write this relation in set builder form, compact, notation form. Second one is roster form. Then what is the domain and range? Very simple question. Now write the relation in set builder form. Based on this diagram, observe model. Here we solution. Now write the relation R is equal to ordered pair x comma y such that image of 5 is 3, image of 6 is 4, image of 7 is 5. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 5 ಮತ್ತು 3 ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5 and 3 is 2. Here difference of 6 and 4 is 2. Difference of 7 and 5 is 2. How to write in that is in better form. So how to write x comma y such that the difference between these two numbers is 2. 5 minus 3 2, 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 5 2. Where x and y lies between. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4 is less than x less than 8. X and y belongs to p and q. This is builder form. ಯಾಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಇವೆರಡರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ 2. So we write x minus y is equal to 2. X is more than 4. X is more than 4. These are x, those are 1. X is more than 4. More than 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5 6 7 and less than 8. More than 4 less than 8. Less than 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ. So x is more than 4 less than 8. More than 4 less than 8. More than 4 ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5. Okay 5 that is 5 minus 3 2. 6 minus 4 2. 7 minus 5. Okay x lies between 4 and 8. ಯಾವುದು more than 4 less than 8. X is more than 4 and 5. If 5 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 5 minus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 2 3. Get it? Next x value 6 to 100. 6 minus y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 4. Is there in Q? Then next x number is 7. 7 minus y is equal to y is equal to 7 minus 2 5. X is more than 4 less than 8. X and y belongs to p and q. This is builder form. Okay. Then also write in roster form. Our roster form ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ roster form. X and y. X is more than 4 ಇದೆ 5 3. Next order pair 6 4. Then 7 5. This is roster form. Right? Domain and range. You know the first member is called domain. Domain of R is equal to what is domain? First member 5 6 7. What is range? Second member range of R. What is second member? 3 4 5. 3 mark question. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ roster form 1 mark domain and range is 1 mark. Write the set in builder form. So builder form is the difference of those two numbers is 2 where x lies between 4 and 8. X is more than 4 less than 8. Clear students? Next question. Problem number 6. Let A is the set consisting of 5 numbers 1 2 3 4 6. Let R be the relation on A defined on R is equal to ordered pair AB such that B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. Denoted by the notation A divides B. A divided means B is divided by A. B is divided by A. Anta ordered pair select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Write R in roster form. Find the domain of R and range of R. Okay? Now here solution. Let A is a set consisting of 5 numbers 1 2 3 4 6. Okay. Then A cross A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ definition of Cartesian product ordered pairs. So many ordered pairs 1 1 1 2 1 3 right 1 4 1 6. Next 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 6. Then 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 6. Right? Next 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 right 4 6. And finally 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 6. These are the ordered pairs. Among those ordered pairs, select R in A cross A such that B is exactly divisible by A. Denoted by A divides B. A divides B means what? B is divided by A. Exactly divided by 4. Remainder should be 0. Remainder 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. 1 by 1. 1 1. Is it 1 divides 1? Yes. 1 divides 6, yes. Next, 2 divides 1, 2 divides 1 means not 2 divided by 1, 1 is divided by 2, exactly what होगा इल. 2 divides 2, yes. 2 divides 3, no. 2 divides 4, yes. 2 divides 6, yes. 2 divides 6 means 6 is divided by 2. 3 divides 1, no. 3 divides 1 means 1 is divided by 3, exactly what होगा, no. 3 divides 2, no. 3 divides 3, yes. 3 divides 3, yes. Then 3 divides 4, no. 3 divides 6, yes. 4 divides 1, no. 4 divides 2, 4 divides 2 means not 4 divided by 2. 2 is divided by 4. Aduka, 4 divides 3, no. 4 divides 4, yes. 4 divides 6, no. 6 divides 1, no. 6 divides 2, 6 divides 2 means 2 is divided by 6. Exactly what aduka? 6 divides 3, no. 6 divides 4, no. 6 divides 6, yes. These are the ordered pairs. Now here a question, write R in roster form. This is roster form. Now ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು roster form. Second question, find the domain. This is first question. Second question, domain. What is domain of R? You know the definition. First member is called what? Domain. What are the first members? 1, 1, 1, 1. That is 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 6. What is range? Range of R. Third question. What is range? Second member. Second member is 1, 2, then 3, 4. Second member 6. So domain and range both are equal. So these are the ordered pairs. Among those ordered pairs, domain is first member, range is second member. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Clear, friends? Okay. No, B is exactly divisible by A ಅಂದ್ರೆ B divided by A ಅಂತ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Okay. Then seventh problem says determine the domain and range of the relation R is equal to ordered pair x comma x plus 5 such that x belongs to the set consisting of 6 numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. R is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Take x is equal to 0. First number 0. Put x is 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 is there in the set x. Yes. Put x is 1. 1. 1 plus 5, 6. Put x is 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 plus 5, 7. Put x is 3. 3 plus 5, 8. X is 4. Put x is 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Put x is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. This is roster form. These are the ordered pairs. X value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X plus 5 value 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now the question. Here is the question now. Determine the domain and range. Therefore, what is domain? Domain of R. First member. Roughly 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is range? Second member. Range of R. Second member 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Domain is first member, range is second member. Dear students, last problem in this topic. Write the relation R is equal to ordered pair x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10 in a roster form. You know the definition of prime number. Prime number means what? An integer, say p, which is greater than 1, is said to be prime number if the condition its divisors are 1 and itself. ಒಂದು ಮತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು. ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 and itself. Then 3, then 5. 4 is not prime because 4 divided by 4 ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 ದಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 ರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 5. Then 6, that is not prime. 7, yes. 9, no, that is not, 9 is not prime number. 11, 13, then 17 and so on. These are the prime numbers. Now take the prime numbers, condition less than 10. Now here prime numbers less than 10 are, less than 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. Only 4 numbers. These are x value. X is a prime number less than 10. X value 2, x value 3, x value 5, x value 7. Therefore, roster form R is equal to x comma x cube. What is x value? First number 2 is prime. X value 2 cube. X value 3 cube. X value 5 cube. X value 7 cube. That is R is equal to order pair 2 cube value 8, right? Here order 3 cube is 27. Then 5 power 3, 125. 7 power 3, 7 sevens are 49. 49 sevens are 343. This is roster form. X is a prime number less than 10. Less than 10 prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Put x is 2 power 3. X is 3 power 3. X is 5 power 3. Order pair. X is 7 power 3. That is 2 power 3 is 8. 3 power 3 is 27. 5 power 3 is 125. 7 power 3 is 340. This is roster form. Clear, students? So this completes relation. Next class we will discuss function. That is most important. They will be asking 5 more questions on that topic, on that result. That is function topic. Okay? Thank you.